Good morning everyone. Today we are the students of PMC Kendriya Vidyalaya Mathiri. We are here to present our project, which is multiple sources of energy for a solar car and other vehicles. There is a solar car which works on solar energy. When this vehicle moves, it generates energy by using friction between tire and the generator, which is present inside this car. It helps it to move at night, and when it moves, it generates too much energy for storing for night days. This road is very special road which works on electricity generating. It generates energy by frictional energy, electroplates, piezo plates, and other wind energy and other forms of energy which can be required on the road.
When any vehicle moves, due to its wind speed, the fans also start moving, and due to which the electricity is generated. Anyone crossing the road, due to its piezo plates, it can detect that anyone is crossing the road, and the signal is on, and due to which the drivers came to know that someone is crossing the road, and it can reduce the chances of accident. Also, the breaker helps in generating electricity when any cars move from it. Thank you.
So these are piezo plates. What are these?
These are piezo plates, and this is the signal. These piezo plates detect that someone is moving, and the signal is on. The red light is on the signal. And the drivers who are sitting in the car get to know that someone is crossing the road, and they can just stop there, and the person can move easily, and there cannot be chances of accident. When the vehicle moves from this breaker also helps in generating the electricity. So by this we can generate electricity from various sources. Thank you.